You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long addition. The final result is 1 million. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom, aligned by their place values. Add up the digits in each column, from right to left. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 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 9 plus 1 equals 10. Carry 1 to the millions place. Write 1 in the millions place, and so the final result is 1 million.